In this video, we will go over the benefits of soft washing and cleaning methods for stucco and Dryvit. How to tell if your home requires Dryvit or stucco cleaning. Soft washing is a process that can be used for any type of home, but it is especially beneficial for stucco and Dryvit homes. If you notice any of the signs below, you may need stucco or Dryvit cleaning. If you notice yellow or brown spots on your walls, this usually means that your walls are stained by mustard algae. What are the advantages of soft washing stucco homes? There are many advantages to soft washing stucco homes. For instance, it preserves the architectural integrity of the home's exterior. It is also good for air quality and offers an aesthetically pleasing home. Soft washing stucco homes might not be as powerful as pressure washed ones. It provides protection against mold and mildew regrowth on the exterior of your home's walls without damaging it like conventional power washing. How do you maintain your stucco home? Stucco is a rough textured coating applied to a masonry surface. The stucco on your house is not just for aesthetics. It has to endure extreme conditions like rain, snow, sun, or even hail, and that means it needs to be cleaned regularly to keep looking its best. Soft washing of stucco is the process of removing dirt and grime from the surfaces of stucco. It is important to maintain the stucco surfaces of your home because it can help with the protection of mold and mildew growth.